Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm starting to wonder, am I being punked? Well, we're going to talk about that later on. For now, let's talk about some food deals. We have the Cheez-It and Club Crackers on sale right now, 3 for $6 through August the 16th. Right now, if you can find the Cheez-It smoked cheddar flavor, these are on sale 3 for $6, and we have a $1 DG cashback offer with a limit of 5, so that's going to make your final price $3 for 3. And we have that same offer right now on Ibotta, but this is a limited time only. According to Ibotta, we only have 1 day left to get in on this deal. Next up, we have the Eggo Mini Pancakes. These are on sale this week for $3, and we have a $1 DG cashback offer with a limit of 5, so that's going to make your final price $2, and we have that same offer right now on Ibotta. And here's another great back-to-school snack with the Dole 4-count fruit cups on sale 3 for $6 through September the 20th. And this deal is back again on the Colombe single coffees, 1 for $1 with this DG store coupon. Alright, now let's talk about this being punked situation, because pretty much every single week for the last month or so, I have been seeing comments where people are not able to stack store coupons with manufacturer coupons or store coupons with DG cashback offers or Ibotta rebates. And every single week I have went and tested deals out, and things are still stacking and working like they always have. So I'm not quite sure what's going on out there, but I do want you all to understand I am here to help you. I would love to help you figure something like that out. If you have examples, if you have receipts that you want me to look at, if you have scenarios, you can always send those to my email, which is crazycoupons1@gmail.com. True story, when I started couponing at Dollar General, a lot of people were doing gain deals because we only had to get our subtotal to $25. We could stack 2 store coupons plus manufacturer coupons. We had paper coupons. It was amazing. However, I could never get the $5 gain DG store coupon to stack with the regular 5 off 25. I tried over and over and over, and I bet you I spent a whole year trying to figure out that deal. Everyone from the cashier to the district manager told me I could not use that gain coupon with anything else. Well, I knew that wasn't true, so I didn't give up. But the thing was, at the time when people would post things like gain deals, they really didn't go into any explanation. It was just, here's the product, here's the coupons, here's what you're going to pay. Well, we all know, once you go out to the store, they might be out of stock of the specific scent that you need or the specific item, so you have to substitute. And that is why I constantly preach, scan, scan, scan. Scan to make sure those coupons attach and show up underneath each and every single item, because it took me a long time to figure that out. Now, some of y'all probably sitting there thinking, golly, she is dumb. But that one coupon and that one problem is a big reason why I started this channel. So, I say all that to tell you, I am here to help. Send me an email, we will figure it out together. And if you haven't guessed yet, now we're going to talk about stacking coupons. So up first, we have this 5 off 25 on the Georgia Pacific brands. This is a DG store coupon. So we're going to take our manufacturer coupons. I've included all of the matchups right here for you. I do want to go ahead and let you know, I tested deals out yesterday and I have confirmed these are stacking. So here we have our manufacturer coupons. We have 2 1-off-1 Angel Soft manufacturer coupons. We also have 1 1-off-1 Sparkle manufacturer coupon. And then we also have several sales on the Brawny paper towels, the Dixie paper plates, and the Vanity Fair napkins are also included. Now, I feel like I'm saying coupon differently today. Let me know down in the comments. Do you say coupon or coupon? Now let's take a look at 2 easy scenarios. Pick up one of the Angel Soft 16 count and one of the Sparkle 10 count. After all coupons are applied, you're going to pay $19.20 for 2, making those $9.60 each. Or you can pick up 2 of the Angel Soft 8 count and 1 of the Sparkle 10 counts. After all coupons, you're going to pay $18.55 for 3, making those $6.18 each. Alright, next up, we're going to talk about this 5 off 20 All Persil Purex Snuggle Soft Scrub and Dial DG store coupon. We have 125 off 1 manufacturer coupon. So whenever you go in to do your deals, whatever item that you want that coupon to attach to, you need to ring that item up first. Because the rest of the offers are manufacturer offers, you're either going to get them back in DG Cash or on Ibotta. Now, this is one or the other, not both. The cashback and Ibotta rebates will not stack and work together because they are both manufacturer offers. Recently, the DG cashback offers have not been stacking with the All Snuggle Purex Persil DG store coupons that we have received. So what I have been doing is I'm still clipping those DG cashback offers to my account, but I'm also clipping those offers on Ibotta, and I'm basically just using my Ibotta as a backup because if the DG cashback offer doesn't kick in, Ibotta will pick it up. So if you plan on doing any of these deals, make sure that you are using your Dollar General account that is linked to your Ibotta account. Trust me, I know couponing at Dollar General can be confusing and sometimes there's a lot to remember. So I don't know what's going on out there, but y'all have to help me out. You have to let me know what's going on because at this point, I feel like I'm in the Twilight Zone. I'm being punked. Something's going on. So I would love to figure it out. Now for this 5 off 20 DG store coupon, I did put together 2 quick scenarios. So for this first one, we're going to pick up 1 large Persil, 1 of these Snuggle fabric softeners, 1 of the Snuggle scent beads, and 1 soft scrub 4-pack. You're getting a total of $525 back, more than likely on Ibotta, so that's going to make your final price $970 for 4. On the second deal, we're going to pick up 1 large Purex, 1 of the Purex pods, 1 of the Snuggle scent beads, and 1 4-count soft scrub. After you get your $525 back, that's going to make your final price $975 for 4 or $243 each. And don't forget, right now on Ibotta, we have bonus deals on the Purex and Snuggle products. And of course, don't forget to scan in your receipts to fetch rewards because we always have something on Purex, Persil, and Snuggle products. All right, next up, we're going to talk about the P&G spend coupon. Now, I have a lot to say about this. I am working on a separate video because there are so many quirks with this coupon. But I wanted to go ahead and put together a couple of quick scenarios because we do have a lot of high value coupons that will be expiring before Saturday. So a couple of quick notes on this coupon. Number 1, it does have a lot of exclusions listed underneath if you go to view the full details. Number 2, don't pay attention to that. Scan your items and see if the coupon shows up underneath. I specifically tested the Febreze warmer and the Febreze fabric sprays. Both of those are working with the Spend 10 coupon. So again, make sure that you scan before you go up to the register. Number 2, the $10 coupon will show up as a clipped coupon already clipped to your account, so check your wallets for that coupon. All right, now we're going to take a look at 3 quick scenarios. For this first one, you want to ring it up in this order. Pick up 3 of the Crest toothpaste priced at $3, 2 of the Crest Brilliance toothpaste, and 1 Febreze warmer. After all coupons, you're paying $15, but then you're getting back that $10 coupon, making your final price $5 for 6 or 83 cents each. Scenario number 2, we're picking up 3 of the Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaners, 1 Febreze fabric spray, 1 Febreze warmer, 1 Crest toothpaste, 1 Bounty Essential 1-count. After coupons, you're going to pay $20, but then you're getting $10 back, making your final price $10 for 7 items or $142 each. All right, that's going to be it for me for now. Hope y'all enjoyed this video, and you know the drill. Stick around and stay tuned.